Do you want your morning alarm to be loud, but your night alarm to stay quiet? Your Galaxy S25 Ultra makes it easy. You can choose to use the same volume for all alarms or set different volume depending on your need. To do so, open Clock app. Make sure you are in the alarm section. Tap the three dots, then tap setting. Under alarm section, tap volume. Now choose one of these options. Set different volume for each alarm. It's perfect if you want your morning alarm loud but your nap or meeting reminder softer. Or use same volume for all alarms. It's great when you want all alarms to ring at the same consistent volume. If you choose use same volume for all alarms, you can drag the slider to set your preferred volume for all alarms. Now you can make every alarm fit your day, whether it's a strong wake-up call or gentle reminder to relax. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.